Hi everyone, welcome to the official TradeAdapter channel. Today we'll show you how to combine 3 TradingView indicators and use TradeAdapter to fully automate your trades. We also invite you to be part of our Telegram community where you can request more updates, new indicators, and future trading strategies. Your feedback helps shape what we build next. Let's start with our first indicator, SFI Trading Level 1. Go to Indicators, search for SFI Follow Trend Level 1, and add it to your chart. Open the indicator settings and set the preset mode to Smooth, especially in crypto markets. Now let's look at the signals. This buy signal appears when price breaks the dynamic band and closes above the SFI level. At that moment, the indicator confirms a shift from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. And this sell signal is generated when price loses the dynamic level and closes below it. That indicates the bullish trend is no longer valid. SFI doesn't try to predict tops or bottoms. It simply follows confirmed trend shift. Let's move on to our second indicator, UTBot Alerts. Go to Indicators, search for UTBot Alerts, developed by Quant Nomad, and add it to your chart. This indicator is based on an ATR trailing stop, which dynamically adjusts to market volatility. It is widely used in forex markets due to its simplicity and clarity. Before looking at the signals, open the indicator settings. Set the key value to 2 and the ATR period to 1. These settings make the signals more responsive to short-term price movements. Now let's look at how the signals work. These buy signals appear when price moves above the trailing stop and confirms the crossover at candle close. As long as price stays above the trailing stop, the indicator maintains a bullish bias. These sell signals are generated when price falls below the trailing stop and closes underneath it. That indicates a potential shift toward bearish momentum. UTBot does not attempt to predict market reversals. It simply follows price using volatility-based trailing logic. Let's move on to our third indicator, Smart Money Flow Cloud, developed by BOS Waves. Go to Indicators, search for Smart Money Flow Cloud, and add it to your chart. This indicator combines trend direction, volatility, and volume-based flow to identify institutional market behavior. It is especially useful for index trading, where strong directional moves are often driven by large market participants. Before looking at the signals, open the indicator settings. The default configuration works well, but you can adjust the trend length and flow smoothing to better match your preferred time frame. Now, let's look at how the signals work. These buy signals appear when price breaks above the adaptive upper band, confirming bullish momentum supported by strong money flow. As long as price remains inside the bullish cloud, the indicator maintains a bullish market bias. These sell signals are generated when price breaks below the adaptive lower band and the cloud shifts to bearish conditions. This suggests a potential distribution phase or trend weakness. Smart Money Flow Cloud does not focus on short-term noise. It highlights sustained moves driven by market participation and volatility expansion. Now that we've seen how the signals are generated, let's automate the trades using Smart Money Flow Cloud on the US 30 Index. The first step is creating alerts in TradingView. For every indicator, we always create 2 alerts. One alert for long signals and one alert for short signals. This is exactly the same process for Smart Money Flow Cloud, SFI, or UTBot alerts. What changes is not the signal logic. What changes is the alert message. Each broker requires a different message format. That's why TradeAdapter provides a dedicated message generator for each broker and indicator. Inside TradeAdapter, you simply select the indicator, choose the broker, and the platform generates the correct alert message for you. The signal logic stays the same. The execution is broker-specific. TradeAdapter connects both. With TradeAdapter, you can automate your TradingView signals across multiple brokers using any indicator. No coding, no complex setup. Just connect your alerts and trade automatically. You can try TradeAdapter with a 7-day free trial. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.